Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to change clothes in Pokémon GO. To customize your avatar's outfit in Pokémon GO, launch open the Pokémon GO application on your mobile device and from the home screen, tap on the trainer avatar icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. From the Me tab, tap on Style. Browse through the various clothing options such as t-shirts, accessories, tops, shoes, etc. Go ahead and select your outfit and tap on the outfit to try it on. Some of the outfits can be found for free, whereas some of the outfits will require you to spend some coins. After choosing the outfit, go ahead and tap on the exchange button in order to buy the outfit. Or you can also choose the free outfits without having to spend anything. Just customize your outfit according to your preference, and once you are done, you can then get back to the home screen and you will see that you have successfully customized your outfit on Pokémon GO. You can update your style anytime to match your mood or events in the game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.